Hey folks, Adam here. Looking at this, it's a 12.8 volt, 100 amp battery. This thing's absolutely fantastic with the latest in protocols to keep you safe and secure. It's from LiTime. Their latest in Bluetooth smart technology that we can check and maintain from the app. It has a great bit of water resistance, and this thing is more lightweight and convenient than a lot of the batteries from the past. The number of cycles that you're able to get out of this is truly impressive, and it's easy to use and performance-based. Now, it's from a company that backs their products unlike anyone else, and they have practically a zero defect rate. These guys have some of the best batteries, cells, and everything in between in the world. They are a world-renowned company, so we're going to tell you all about them, whether you're using them for your trolling motors, for your RVs, or for your homes. This is a device you're gonna love. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna kick it off right about now. All right, folks, so one of the things that I like to do with this is I like to go ahead and run a test. Now, we've got 100-watt lighting rig right here, and we've actually got this plugged in and connected and running the lights. So what does that mean? With the size of this, 1280 watt hours, 100 watts, this should run for a solid 12 to 13 hours, okay? So we're just going to let this light run. We're gonna come back in a little bit of time where we're going to see how well this performed. All right, folks, so it's now 13 hours and 42 minutes later. The battery has officially died with a 100-watt bulb. That means we got over our 1280 watt hours out of this. So very cool. It actually exceeded expectations, and I think that's what they're known for, is exceeding expectations. I also like the fact that you can check this all on the app, and we can see where the battery stands just by looking at the app. So let's go ahead and look at the app next. We're going to give it a little charge first. And folks, I do want to take a moment and introduce you to the app. This is a really powerful app that you can connect multiple devices to. We're going to go into our 12.8 volt 100 amp battery here. And this is pretty cool. So it says it's on 49% standby. Very cool. You can see it's not currently in use. And then you can even check the balance. Under good conditions, your battery is well balanced. Very nice. The cells are normal. And the BMS, I like this little guy. They've just done a little bit of extra to make this very easy to use. Now I've connected it with that latest Bluetooth. Easy to understand, and it only took me a few seconds. It automatically connected with Bluetooth, or you can scan it. So just a great device there. And like I said, you can have multiple devices, adding battery systems, your personal information, even your warranty, you can register right on the app. All right, folks, something else I want to focus on is that T5.0, the advanced edition here, custom communication protocols for external devices. Yeah, we're talking about displays, detailed data for voltage, current, power, cell voltage, min and max, for temperatures, for module count, and specific protection triggers. Yeah, this is a really advanced design that we've never seen anything like before. We're talking advanced and enhanced lifespan, smart charging optimization, dynamically calculating optimal charging current based on SoC temperature, extending the lifespan across all conditions, intelligent system integration, UDD, that's unified data display, showcasing the battery status like the voltage, current, SoC, SOH, temperature, alongside the inverter and solar controller data, and of course, remote monitoring and control, accessing global data via VRM platform, including historical analytics as well. Yeah, this is really cool. Daily energy production, consumption, etc. is covered with this. It auto-adjusts charging rates based on solar input and load demand, fast charge in sunlight, trickle charge in low light. It prioritizes solar power, auto-activates generators, grid power to prevent over discharge. Yeah, the protocol compatibility is also pretty impressive there. Displays RV-C, water tank, and generator. And for NMEA 2000, it does marine navigation and battery data on a single screen. This is pretty impressive. This is way more advanced than I ever thought a system like this ever could be. It also can auto start generators if the NMEA 2000 detects the marine battery SOC is less than 20%. Yeah, it's also very convenient. It's plug and play up to 16 batteries. That's 20.48 kilowatt hours with auto recognition, no manual configuration. Centralized control, manage your entire system via single battery button, Bluetooth app, or LT display. Hot swappable expansion, you can just add or remove batteries without shutting anything down. Of course, you can track system health, communicate loss, capacity alarms, and the display and apps make it very convenient. This is the utmost in safety with multi-layer protection, battery level, the T5.0 BMS with 20 plus protection, that's over voltage, short circuit, low temperature cutoff, and at a system level it triggers inverter shutdowns to prevent thermal runaway during faults. Yeah, this thing is really impressive. With the LT ecosystem integration, this thing has great compatibility with the monitor, controls the entire system and LT screens. There's nothing better, and I love that Bluetooth 5.0 with real-time system monitoring to control it from your smartphone or device. The comprehensive protections, again, over voltage, over current, short circuit, low temperature, even low temperature charging protection in particular. And this thing is extremely durable. Operates from -4 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That's -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. And folks, this is truly lightweight and portable. That makes me happy as well. Now, it seems like we're about to have a pretty significant thunderstorm, and I tell you, if I'm out on the lake or I'm out someplace with bad weather, I like that this is splash and a little water resistant here. I love the fact that I can take this with me camping. I love the fact that it takes a quick charge and that I can check all those numbers from my phone. Imagine getting out on the lake and realizing you had a dead battery then. Nobody wants that. Imagine trying to get back from fishing, the storm clouds start coming and nothing comes on. That's why being able to check that on your app is really next level. All right, folks. So a convenient, easy, lightweight, portable battery, a great company, and something that I know you're going to love. This thing is tried and true, tested by me just for you. You know I love and appreciate you, but it's time to go pick one up. And if you want even more information about this fantastic product, stick around for the up-close portion of the video that gives you an opportunity to pick it up. But if you're already convinced, what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up. I love you guys. Adios, amigos. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. This portion of the video gives you the opportunity to pick this up. Speaking of picking this up, I've been picking it up all day, and I gotta tell you, this thing is really lightweight compared to previous batteries of their size. They've just done a great job of making this powerful. It's 12.8 volts, 100 amp, smart Bluetooth 5.0, ComFlex edition, and yeah, they've just made something that is truly remarkable. Yeah, so 100 amps is pretty impressive. Of course, it does come with all the bolts that you need included, so you can do the things you want to do and the things you need to do. And yeah, this is a really great design that I'm very excited about. So we're gonna show you the product up close and personal as if it just arrived. And this again does give you a great opportunity to go pick it up. Now they've gone ahead and given you a high quality device, the smart battery life optimization, superior full system safety, dual protection from battery BMS to ecosystem safety coordinates, one-click system control. You've got a really fantastic device all in one pack. That on-off right there, okay? And yeah, you can get the app right here, available in the App Store. 12.8, 100 amp, 1280 watt hours, and they've just done a great job of giving you a fantastic device that will indeed connect to either Bluetooth on your phone, smart Bluetooth monitoring, high precision, real-time system monitoring, controlling the battery, upgraded waterproof design, IP65 anti-disconnect communication, and this can withstand vibration and spray, so it's great for marine time life. Now, if you're looking for something truly fantastic here, I'll put these caps on before we move forward. I gotta say, oops, I should put the washers on. We'll do that after the fact. They've done a great job here. Remember, folks, use those washers. Don't be like me. It's a lithium iron phosphate battery. It's much more lightweight than I expected, and they've just done a great job here. There's your scan code, all the safety information, recommended sizing for cables, and everything you need here. Single time for single battery, on and off, indicators if it is standby, etc. Flashing green, what that means. And here's all your specs and stats. I'll leave that page open so you can just take a little quick look at it. But yeah, it's a LiFePO4 battery. Operating temperature of 5 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. And boy, is that good looking. So folks, if you're looking for the best of the best, you're looking for a product that will exceed the rest, well, guess what, folks? This one is fantastic. It is in a league of its own, and I'm very impressed with the overall design. Folks, it's time to go ahead and pick it up. You will not be disappointed. A great brand, great quality, and this one is approved by 911. Folks, go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.